Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. I remain your favorite IGCSE ICT coach, Amana Jerry. So today we'll be looking at May June 2025 paper 3-2. We're concentrating on the web authoring aspect. And as usual, we'll do tax. Um, okay, so we're going for task 3. So we'll do the file management first. Create a new folder called TR. Let's locate our source files. So I would extract a fresh file. Always make sure that your files are extracted if they are zipped. Okay, and they're extracted before, so this will replace what I had before. So our source files are located here. Alright, I'd practiced this before, so I have the TR folder created. So I'll just delete this and create a new one. So you can go to new, create folder, and name it TR, and then hit enter. Okay, so to locate these files, the following files, and store them in the folder we have banner racing, tech and text. Banner racing, text. Banner racing, tech and text. All these should move into the TR folder. Okay, so it says to display the content of your TR folder, showing the folder name and all file names, file extensions, file sizes. Let's be sure we have all of that. Okay, so this is the folder name here, the file names, file extension, file sizes. Let's see what else we need. Okay, so we also need frame height, frame width, and image dimensions. Frame height, so right click on this bar here, right click, and then click on more. So we are to look for frame height, so you just scroll down to F, and then FRA, frame height, frame width, and then image dimensions, go to I. um, Sorry, go to I, image dimensions, or okay, dimensions, that would be D for dimensions. I beg your pardon. Dimensions. Okay, so you click and okay, so you have all of that here. You can double click. All right, so close up the spaces, and then you take screenshot of this. Of course, you don't need date, so you can take off your date. All right, let's go on. So do all your evidence. For now, we're not doing evidence document. So create in your TR folder a web page called j25racing.html. So of course we're going to be using our expression web to create our files. So expression web is loaded, so we can save this, save, and locate where our file is. We go to desktop, go to IGCSE past questions, go to 2025, go to May June 3-2 and TR. So we're going to save our web page as racing.j25 j25racing.htm. So you have j25racing.htm. So you save this there. All right. Next, it says this web page must be created using a single table and work in all browsers. The table must be center aligned and fit 85% of the browser window. Alright, the table must have a structure as shown in the diagram. So it must be center aligned and fit 85% of the browser window. So we're going to go to our table and insert table. Now let's check out how many rows do we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 rows and 2 columns. 4 rows and 2 columns. So 4 rows and 2 columns, our alignment is center, our width is 85%. Okay, let's see if there are any other instructions. Says each table cell is identified by a letter. Table borders must not appear on the final page, so we don't need the table borders. Okay, so we can click OK. So let's edit the table to look like this. So here we have the two rows, the two columns in row 1 are merged, and that's all we have. Two columns in row 1. So I highlight both columns, right click, go to modify, and I merge cells. All right, so that does it for me. So let me label them A, B. So this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D, this is E, this is F, and then this is G. Okay, let's check and be sure if everything is right. Yes. All right, so it says we should place inline style attributes into the HTML to set both the width and height of cell C to 480 pixels. Inline style, so you go to the code, or let's go to cell C first, go to code, and then we'll place an inline style here. To do that, you come to TD tag here, and you type style. This is how to place your inline style. And then we are looking for width, then full column, and then you pick the size. Let's go back to the question. Our size for width is 480 pixels. So both width and height are 480 pixels. So let's have 480 px for pixels. All right, space, where we'll do style again, equal to, we'll do height this time around. You can double click on this height and do 480 px again. So we've specified the inline style for this cell, so you can see that the size has changed here. Okay, so place in cell A the image J25 banner. So these are cell A. Take out the A, go to insert, go to picture from file, J25 banner, insert all text. You can call it a banner or say banner image, that's fine. Click OK. So you have your banner image there. So next is in cell C, video and source tags to display J25 racing.mp4. So let's pick that to cell C. So you go to your code. So that's your cell C. You can take this out. Okay, and hit enter twice. Come here, hit your tab key to indent. So you can enter your video tag. Okay, close the video tag, hit enter again, place your cursor there, tab key to indent, and then you insert your source tag, source src equal to so place that there. So you also place in your source tag the type of video equal to video /mp4. Okay, and then we close the source tag. All right, usually they'll ask us to display error message. Let's see, make sure that the controls are loops. I'll come back to that. Display an automated text based error message if the browser does not support this video type. So here in your video tag, you type this browser does not support this file. You can see video file type. All right, okay, so that's fine. So in our video tag, we in the opening tag we want to declare a number of things. Make sure that the controls are visible and the video loops when played. Okay, so you go back to this, then here you want your controls to show, and then space, type loop. Okay, so that solves that question. So I want to save what we have, go to the design view and see if it works. Okay, let's preview and see if everything is in order. Okay, so we have our video showing here. Loops, the controls are showing and the video loops. So that's perfect. So let's go back to our question and complete the remaining part of the question. It says we should enter in cell B the text from the file in cell B. So this is cell B. Let's take out the B, then go to the code. We don't necessarily need to go to the code. Let's open up our file. Okay, right click and open with. If you have Notepad on your system, you don't need to right click and open with Word, but looks like I don't have. So copy this text, take it back to Expression Web, and there you paste in your cell B your text. Okay, so let's go on. It says we should set this text in style H3. So place your cursor anywhere there within the text and then click on this, go to H3. So that does it. Then it says we should enter in cell D the text new technologies. All right. So in cell D, we have new technologies. In cell E, we have contact us. All right, contact us. So let's scroll to E, and then sorry, in cell F, we have designed by. Cell F. So here we have F designed by, and then in cell G, let's see what we have to have in cell G. In cell G, your name, center number, and carrying number. All set all the text in these cells in H2 style. So you come here and type your name. My name is Emmanuel Jerry. My center number, fictitious center number is this, and then my fictitious carrying number is this. Okay, so we have to set this to H2. So you come here, make it H2, set contact us to H2. Okay, let's be sure if it's H2. Yeah, H2. Then let's go back to new technologies and also make it H2. H2, and then design by H2 also. Okay, so we have to do step 24. I'll record this in another video. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And just hold on for the second video.